I am Kirsten and I will be the teacher.
I'm Ruth and I'm the athlete.
Slide of NWABA logo. Object control, underhand roll. Picture of bell tennis ball, playground ball, in-reach bell ball, high contrast tape, sound source, different sized targets such as different sized boxes, tactile map, tactile underhand roll diagram, artist's figurine.
In this instructional video, we will be learning the skill of underhand roll. I'm going to start by showing Ruth our tactile diagram and the different steps of our underhand roll.
Use a tactile diagram to explain the skill to the athlete.
So it's reach, throw, step. Or what we're going to start off with, reach, slap, step. And then we'll move to reach, throw, step.
Use an artist's figurine to further demonstrate the skill to the athlete.
Since you're right-handed, we're going to set up our artist's figurine like you would with throwing with your right hand.
Use equipment that is developmentally appropriate for the athlete. Equipment should increase in difficulty as the athlete progresses.
We're going to start with an in-reach ball that has bells inside to be audible, and then we're going to finish with a bell tennis ball that is about hand-sized and the size of a standard tennis ball. All right, Ruth, I'm going to have you stand on our poly spot. And before we add the ball, what I want you to do is we're going to practice just pretending like you have a ball in your hand. Then we're going to use the larger ball and then move to the smaller ball. I'm going to put the balls down on the ground. So since you said that you are right-footed, I want you to step your right foot back, give a slight bend in your knees, and then what I want you to do is reach your right hand back. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hand is by your left knee, and so you're going to give me a slap, a really hard, low high five as you swing your arm forward. So it's going to be reach, where you've reached your right hand back, and then you're going to swing forward, slap, and then as your right arm is moving forward, you're going to step your right foot forward. All right, so it's going to be reach, slap, step. All right, reach, slap, step. Nice job. Now, what we're going to do, instead of the slap, what I want you to do is we're going to use a ball this time, and instead of the slap, it's going to be reach, roll, step. All right, I am standing about 10 feet away from you, and I'm going to knock on the ground, and whenever you're ready, you're going to begin our progression. Reach, roll, step. This time we're going to do it with a smaller ball. All right, whenever you're ready, you are good to roll towards me. That looked really good. I really liked how your foot was following through even more than the last time.
Be patient. It may take several attempts for the athlete to fully grasp the skill.
That was the skill of underhand roll, and as a student becomes more proficient with their underhand roll, they can work on rolling further distances. They can work on adding a 3-step approach to their underhand roll, and they can also work on using a tactile map to determine where they are throwing, where they're going to be rolling the ball, and how close they are to reaching that target. You can even use a beeping ball or a sound source as an audible target for the athlete to roll the ball towards.
For more, visit the Sports Adaptations page at www.nwaba.org. Thank you for watching. Slide of NWABA logo.